Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about separation of variables. This topic is under differential equations. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here my dx is equal to nx dy. First thing to do is I need to divide both sides by x and y. So y will be crossed out at the left side. So I have m dx over x. This one cross out x. So n dy over y. So integrating both sides, take note m and n are constant. So this will be m integral of dx over x is equal to, n will be outside of the integration, n integral of dy over y. So integrating both sides, so this will be m ln x is equal to n ln y plus c. So by applying our trigonometry laws of logarithm, we can do this one as m ln x, transpose this one first, minus n ln y is equal to c. So we can do ln x raised to m and then minus ln y raised to n is equals to ln c. So by logarithm, we can do this one as ln I mean xm over yn is equals to ln c. So to eliminate the natural logarithm, we can do multiply e both sides. So this will be crossed out. So x m then yn is equals to c. Then cross multiply. So I will write in here the final answer. So cross multiply x to the m times 1 will be xm is equal to c y raised to n. So this is my final answer, and that's all.